Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AI Content 49. Today, we are going to discuss something that many aspiring data scientists and AI engineers often overlook. We spend a lot of time learning Python, machine learning, deep learning, LLMs, and AI agents. But when we are given a real business problem, many of us do not know where to begin. In this video, we will understand how to approach a problem from a business perspective, identify where AI can create value, and determine what information we need before writing a single line of code. So let's get started. Imagine this. You're sitting in an interview. The interviewer asks you this question. A company wants to launch a new music platform to compete with Spotify, Amazon Music, and Ghana. As a data scientist, how would you help the company? Now, before I continue, I want you to pause this video for a minute. Think about your answer. Do not worry whether it is right or wrong. Just think about how you would approach this problem. Now, many people immediately start talking about solutions. Some say, let us build recommendation system. Others say, we should use AI agents. Some even suggest improvising the website or creating a better user experience. Now, I'm not saying these ideas are wrong. They may eventually become part of the product. But companies do not hire data scientists just to build the models. They hire them to solve business problems, and data is the tool they use to do it. Every business problem starts with understanding the business itself. So instead of jumping directly to solutions, here is how I would begin. What is the business trying to achieve? This is where every AI project begins. Before thinking about models or algorithms, I need to understand the business goal. The answer to this question becomes the foundation for every decision that follows. Remember, this company is just entering the market, so I want to understand its vision. Are they trying to become the cheapest music platform? Do they want to focus on regional language music? Do they want to provide better personalization than existing competitors? Do they want to target college students, working professionals, or families? Because every one of these goals leads to a completely different AI solution. If I do not understand the destination, I cannot decide the route. Where can data science or AI actually help? Now that I understand the business goal, I can identify where AI can create the most value. Different goals leads to different AI opportunities, so the answer to this question depends entirely on the first one. For example, can we recommend the right songs? Can we create personalized playlists? Can we understand what users like? Can we predict which users may buy a premium plan? So the list goes on. Once I know the problems, choosing the right AI solutions becomes much easier. What information do I need? Now that I know what I want to solve, the next question becomes, what information do I need to solve it? For example, what user data do I need? What song details do I need? What user activities should I track? What business metrics should I collect? We'll discuss all of this in detail in the next video. For now, just remember this order. Business comes first, AI comes second, data comes third. This is exactly how most real-world AI projects begin. And these are only the first few questions. As we move through this series, we'll keep adding more layers to this project. We'll gather requirements, collect data, engineer features, perform EDA, apply statistics and hypothesis testing, build machine learning models, explore LLMs, AI agents, MCP, and LangGraph. Then deploy everything on AWS with CI/CD, monitor the system in production, and continuously improve it using real user feedback. By the end of this playlist, you'll not only know how to build AI solutions, you'll know how to think like a data scientist when solving a real business problem. Thank you for watching, and let us begin.